Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design simple part like this with have a rib on cylinder surface in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. Open SolidWorks. For unit we can use in millimeter unit. So select on millimeter gram second. Okay, we can see again for this drawing. Here is front view and here is top view. We start draw from front view. So right click on front plane, just click sketch. We start draw from here. Draw to arc, have radius in 30 and 40. So we can use center point arc on sketch. Click or select sketch and choose center point arc. Draw from this center. Draw like this. Ensure this point, click Ctrl and select this point, just click make horizontal. This point and this point, just click make horizontal. So we can set for this arc in radius 30 and here have radius 40. So we just click on offset entities, offset distance in 10 millimeter because in here 30, so offset in 10. Select on this sketch or select on this arc and reverse direction, and we can connect this point, and this point with checklist on cap end. Choose or select on lines, just click OK. Now we can check for radius in here automatically in 40. It's easy for first step. Now we must draw line connect here with my line here, here, here to here. Then we can set for total this set for the line in here. Distance this in 130. So this line to this point, total the length of this part in 130. So input here in 130 millimeter and for thickness in 10 millimeter. Now we can do trim edits for this length like this. Click OK. Then we can draw line here until here with select line. Draw from this point to the top. Click A on your keyboard. This to this like this. Ensure for this just click make tangent, and for this point just click make tangent. We can set for radius this arc on radius 20, so set here in 20, and for this center have distance on 60 millimeter. So this in 60 millimeter for distance. Don't forget to make circle in here have hole diameter in 24. So draw from this point, set diameter on 24 millimeter like this. Just click feature and click extrude boss or base. For direction, change on mid plane. Circuit contour first, just select on this sketch and total width here in 60 millimeter. This part have width in 60 millimeter, so input here in 60 millimeter. Direction, don't forget select on mid plane, just click OK and click again on sketch 1. Click extrude boss or base again and direction in mid plane. Now for select contour, just select on this sketch, but for width in here in 40 millimeter. Sorry, in here in 40 millimeter. Just click OK like this. So we can still make like cylinder in here, diameter in 20 and 40. So right click on this face, just click sketch, click circle, make two circle like this. Ensure this center of circle, click Ctrl and click this point, just click make horizontal. For diameter, first circle have diameter in 40 and second circle in here in 20 millimeter. Here 40 and 20. And don't forget to set for distance this center of hole to this center in 85. So click this point and select this midpoint, set on 85 millimeter like this. Click feature and just click extrude bus or base. For direction, change on blind and selected contour, just select on this sketch. Can see the height from this face in 15 for distance. So set depth on 15 millimeter. Click OK. And now we can click again on sketch 2. Just click extrude cut. But for selected contour, just select on this circle or this face, this sketch. Direction change on through all. Click OK. And done. It's so simple like this. Now here we can see have a rib, but rib in here on cylinder surface. Yes. So we have two options to make this rib on this part. First, I will show you how to make simple rib. So just like on front plane, click sketch, just make a line from this to this point. So to make simple rib, we can just click feature and just click rib. For thickness rib in here have no dimension, but for example in here I set on 10 millimeter for thickness in both sides. Direction to here is correct and just click OK. Now here is simple rib, but we can see on cylinder surface in here the connection is not perfect, not smooth like this with simple rib. So we can to use another way or another option how to make rib with lofted boss or base. So we can delete this rib, right click on rib 1, click delete and just click yes, and right click on sketch 3, click delete, click yes, delete, click yes. Now I will show you second option to make rib on cylinder surface with lofted boss or base. First, right click on this face, just click sketch and click corner rectangle, draw from here until here until this face, and ensure click this midpoint, click Ctrl and select this point, just click make vertical. For example, the rib have thickness in 10, so set in 10 millimeter. Just click exit sketch and we must to make sketch like this corner rectangle but on cylinder surface. So we can to make new plane, just click plane. For first reference, just select on this face. We can to checklist on flip offset. For example, in here I set distance on 30 millimeter. Click OK. And right click on plane 1. Click sketch. Now draw again corner rectangle. Draw here to here. Ensure for this midpoint, click Ctrl and select this point. Just click make vertical and set for width in 10 millimeter. Because this rib I will show you in thickness in 10 millimeter. So we must make this case in this cylinder surface with click feature, click curve and select split plane. For type of slit, select on middle in projection and selection in current sketch. And for face, just click on this face, on cylinder face. Checklist on single direction. Direction to here is correct, and just click OK. Now we can see in this cylinder have sketch like this. It's so simple. Now we can hide for this plane. Right click and click hide. Now we can to make a rib with lofted boss or base feature. Click lofted base or base feature, and for profile just select or click on this face and click this sketch. Now we can adjust green point in here, but position correct like this. Click OK and done. Now we can to erase for this. Right click on this face, just click sketch, convert entities, click feature and click extrude cut. Through all, just click OK. Now we can see make rib with lofted boss or base. For connection in here, it's smooth like this. It's different with simple rib, which is not perfect, but in here like more smooth like this. Okay, we can to change for color. Select all feature, click this icon, color, maybe color in yellow, and we can send again color. Click face, click white color for this hole, and this. Click OK. Okay, I think that's enough how to send this part with have rib on cylinder surface with simple rib and with lofted boss or base rib. Okay, thank you for watching the video. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this tutorial. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.